Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I thrifted this vest. I really like the fabric and the pattern, but I wasn't really feeling the style. So let's flip it. We're gonna separate the vest into 3 pieces. So just cut along the dotted line. This is what you should end up with: 1, 2, and 3 pieces. We're only going to be using piece number 1. In case you want to make this with scrap fabric, you can still reference my measurements. Here's a little tip I have for sewing knitted fabric. To prevent the fabric from stretching, I'm lining it with paper underneath, just because that's what I had on hand. This is what I ended up with. I'm tearing all the paper out so that once it gets thrown in the washer, it should be fine. Try it on one more time, and I realized that I didn't sew quite enough, so there's this little gap there that I'm gonna close up. This is what the final piece looks like. I'm really happy with it, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.